All right, here we are. It's the very first website that we're making, and we're creating the password generator. So let me go ahead and show you the finished product so you can know where it is that we're aiming for. Basically, this is a website that, let's say you're signing up for a new service and you need a password. And you want to make sure it's a nice random password, something that's not connected to your others. You can specify here, I want a password that's going to be 14 characters, include some numbers, maybe even some special characters. You hit the generate button and boom, here's your random password, right? You wouldn't have guessed this thing just from out of your brain. And every time we refresh this page, boom, there's a brand new password. And we can hit the home button here and come back and, say, yeah, I want it to be a little bit shorter and I just want upper and lowercase letters. Boom, we can do that too. So this is a fun little tool here that I think will be pretty helpful. But more important than any of that, the whole purpose of this website is to get you to understand the basics of Django. So by creating this, you're going to understand how does it work that when, all these letters and numbers are up here in the URL, how does this transfer into Django and eventually output this? You're going to see the whole flow, start to finish, how to create a new Django project. So let's go ahead and dive into the first site that's going to give you a great foundation into Django.